Aloha everyone and welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're going to create yet another Paracord bottle wrap. Before that, I hope that you're safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. If you're new here, consider subscribing, give a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and hit that bell button so you'll stay notified. If you want to create the bottle holder like this one, you have the full tutorial into the cards in the top right corner and into the description down below. So that being said, let me remove this wrap. So we're going to use the same bottle and we're going to start. We need the neon green, or we are using today the neon green 550 Paracord, the sky blue also 550, the plastic stopper, and of course the Paracord feed or a needle. And we can start with the sky blue Paracord. We're gonna create the starting point of our today's project. Around the bottleneck we're gonna let me just clear this up. So here around the bottleneck we're gonna insert the sky blue and then the plastic stopper. But we're gonna also create the stopper knot. The stopper knot will be the diamond knot, but you can use any other knot that you want to use. And here we finish our diamond stop knot. The full tutorial how to create it you have in a top right corner in this video, in the video cards. And now we're gonna start with our today's project. We're going to take one end of a cord and we're going to simply insert it from the top, like so. Let me just zoom a bit. So from the top, round, and through the loop, like so. Now we're going to pull it to make it tight. And here we're going to cut off excess of a cord and we're gonna melt it down. But the important thing is here to pay attention not to melt down the neon green to the sky blue. If you do that, you won't be able to freely move sky blue or the neon green of each other. So melting. And now here when you are almost at the end, leave a space, as you can see, between those two cords. And here we are. Now try, and as you can see we can clearly move the neon green onto the sky blue. So that being finished, we can proceed. Now we're gonna take the other end of a paracord with a needle and we're gonna insert it from the top, like so, and then to the side, but on the top of this working end. So now we've created the first two weaves. Now we're gonna continue. So again from the top, insert it, and then always on top of this end here, like you see. So here, as you can see, I created a few more weaves around the bottleneck and we're gonna continue with it. I skipped the part where I pulling all these cords through, so you won't be losing the time watching that. So we're gonna insert a few more. And here, now from here, as you can see, we're all the way around the bottleneck. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna from here insert it in this first loop or a weave, as you wish. So like this, from the top, again the same thing, and through. Later on you can adjust those loops. You can do more or less as you wish. It's all up to you. I hate when this happens, when the cord gets tangled. Now here, from here, you will continue creating this kind of weaves, or this is the weaving process. You will continue. Secure firmly the bottleneck and then continue. And here we are, we reached the almost bottom of this bottle. So we're gonna continue all the way through. We can pull a bit these ends here, and we're gonna proceed. And here we are, our Paracord bottle wrap is finished. Now we're just left to insert this end of a cord into the middle and then melt it down from the inside. So we're gonna release the neck holder of the bottle. As you can see, it's nicely slides down, and here we are, we are finished today's project. Our Paracord bottle wrap is finished. I hope that you like this tutorial. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that bell button so you'll stay notified whenever we post a new content. And also the important thing, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Tale signing out. See ya, bye.